student, today we are going to see Standard 5th English from Term 3. The unit name is Learn Always. In this unit, we are going to discuss the lesson 5 Detectives. In this lesson, how the students are detecting the mysterious cases in their lifetime. Come, let us move to the video session.
Standard 5th, Term 3, Unit 1, Learn Always. In this unit, we are going to see the lesson 5 Detectives. In this unit, we are going to solve many problems with new ideas. You also find many ideas to solve the problem. Come, let us move to the lesson. Let us see a small Pictionary related to this lesson. Waxwork. A life-size dummy made of wax. Magician. A person who performs magic tricks. Disguise. To make a person look different to hide their identity. Chit. A short note on a piece of paper. Statue. A human made figure of a person or animal, that is a life size or larger. 5 detectives. It was a sunny afternoon after a long time in Ooty. Sunny means it is a summer season. They were in the afternoon. The place where Ooty. Arul and Amuda were sitting on a balcony. The last 3 vacations were exciting for them as they involved in solving the 3 majestic cases in their city. That means vacation means during the summer holidays. That is called vacation. They were solving the 3 mysterious cases. That means they were solving all the cases related to the detection. They missed their friends Srijit, Jessie and Fatima. They were 5 people, Arul and Amuda, Srijit, Jessie and Fatima. They are the 5 students, so they are called as 5 detectives or 5D. 5 is for 5 members and D is representing detectives. They were be very famous in Ooty for their courage and their skills. By seeing the skill, the police were inspired a lot and he appreciated the students of all the 5 detectives. The admirable acts inspired a lot by the police. Amuda and Arul missed Pablo. Pablo means it is a dog. Who's having the dog means Srijit is having a dog. The dog name is Pablo. He played an important role in solving the mysterious cases. It is a very important cases, so he is having a dog which helpful for the case. After a week, Srijit, Jessie, Fatima and Pablo came to Amuda and Arul's house. That is, Pablo means it is a dog. The dog was jumping with joyful and continuously wagging his tail. After seeing everybody, Amuda was very happy to see everybody. Arul is saying that now we can call all the head to solve the mystery. It will make our vacation more interesting because they were in the summer season, that is vacation holidays. They were going to solve all the mysterious cases. Srijit is telling, did something happen in the town? Srijit asked the question, what happened in our town? That Arul is saying, nothing. No Srijit, nothing at all. Amuda said to all that we will go for a town fair. Town fair means it is a fair which will have all kinds of books and all kinds of traditional items, and we can find many games, magics. These are the things which will be displayed there. She told about the different games, magician, and most importantly, the waxwork. Waxwork means we have already seen the particle which is made up of wax. That means you all know candle. It is made up of wax. That is called waxwork. A studio with many wax figure inside. After a lot of pestering, everyone agreed to go. So they were very excited to see the waxwork. On their way, they saw an inspector, that is, the inspector name is Velayudam. He was on a bike. He was the inspector for that area. Inspector Velayudam has been very busy for these days. Amuda said this inspector was very busy because of the town fair. This made the group so curious about what was happening in our city that had made they were no clue of. So they are going to find the mysterious cases with the help of Inspector Velayudam. It was Monday. Jessie was overheard her father talking on a phone about the robbery. You all know robbery. Robbery means it is a thief who is getting all the things from the other person or getting gold item, silver item from the public peoples. So Jessie heard all the phone talking of her father about the robbery that was expected to place in the museum. Jessie rushed to see her friend in the morning. It was a Monday. He was very interested to see all her friends and told them that she has heard about the phone call of her father. Srijit is saying, "Oh no, I know that Inspector Velayudam is there to help." Jessie is telling that we can solve these cases before he does. Before the inspector found, we can solve all the cases. That Srijit is answering, I feel we will find more clues if we are near the city area. If we were there, we can find more things because we are in the city. We also able to solve many problems and observe more things which were being displayed in the museum. I will describe myself as the old man he saw on the street because he is going to put a mask like a old man as a Srijit, which is going to act as a old man, was sitting on the roadside. That was, he was sitting in the roadside. That is, he is going to act as a old man on the street because they are going to solve the mysterious cases. Everyone agreed to the Srijit word. He also dressed as a old man. Srijit was sat on a old man bench. That is, who is sitting on the bench is acted as a old man. He was coughing and sniffed like him. How the old man will cough the same like that Srijit is doing. So, no one could find or recognize Srijit. Soon, a man who came in a cycle and sat near to the Srijit. He gave a thing to the Srijit. Where you have been since yesterday? Where you have been since yesterday? He gave a packet of chocolate to the Srijit. The Srijit does not answer for that question. The man who came in a cycle, he gave a packet of chocolate to the Srijit, that is to the old man, and went away. Srijit took the chocolate and kept in his pocket. He take all the chocolates and keep it in a pocket. He saw the real old man coming in his direction from the other side. the same side the other old man is coming. He also saw Inspector Velayudham rushing out of the shop towards him. He is rushing from the shop because something was happening, so the inspector was very much rushed. Fatima and Jessie were watching all the things from the far away. Far away means they were very far away from the place where the Srijit is sitting. But they were noticing everything what were happening there. They got worried and rushed with Pablo towards the inspector. Pablo means it is a dog, you all know. Pablo started barking and jumping on the inspector because the something is having. Pablo was barking. Barking means is making noise and jumping on the inspector. The inspector was annoyed with the dog. Srijit saw everything. It is a chance to run from here. So what he did, he hid in a bush. Nearby there was a bush. Bush means it is a plant which is fully covered. We can hide nearby the bush. Inspector Velayudham ran towards the old man and caught him. He ran to the old man and caught the old man. Caught means he catched. Then he asked him to give the chocolate to him. He gave all the chocolate. The old man gave all the chocolate. The old man was puzzled. Puzzled means he was very much thrilled. Inspector took the old man to the police station and locked in a police station. That means he arrested and put it in a lock. While this was happening, the five detectives gathers in Jessie garage. That means the person who came in a cycle gave a packet of chocolate to Srijit. So they opened all the bags and see there was a full of chocolate, and they also find a small chit inside the bag. That means a small chit means it is a piece of paper or a bit of paper. They opened it and found a list of grocery item. You all know grocery, isn't it? We can buy many things like vegetable, fruits, all the things we can collect in the grocery shop. They were very confused. All the five were very much confused because why it has been written in this chit. Let's see what is the thing. Amuda is saying it is a code number. Can you notice it is a code number? Srijit is saying yes, it is also a code number for them. For the robbery will have always a code number. Yes, Amuda is telling, I wonder if it is some kind of magic pen like you can show us, because if you see in the light pen, the something has been written with the help of the light pen only. After lightning only we can see the thing which has been written in the paper. The same like they have written something on the paper, but they do not have any light pen. When he showed under the light, so they don't have any light pen. So what they did, they showed under the light which is there in their house. We can see their writing. We can see many writings which is there on the paper. That is a chit. Chit means a bit of paper. Yes, Jessie is telling, I still have this pen with me. Let me go and take and come. So what she is telling, Jessie is having that pen. I will go and get it once. So Jessie got the magic pen. He flashed the light on the paper. So some letters was glowed on it. Glowed means some letters were blinking on the papers. So they got a message, tell number 3. What was the message there? Tell number 3, wax work. Tuesday 9 p.m. number 5. There were the message written, tell number 3, wax work, Tuesday 9 p.m. Number 5. This was the message which has been written on the chit. All the things were happening on Monday. Arul is saying that is tomorrow is a Tuesday. So all the gang will meet tomorrow at Tuesday. So what they did, they all were sitting in the garden. Meanwhile, Inspector Velayudham saw Srijit dressed as a old man. We have already seen Srijit is dressing as a old man. So he was very furious. Furious means he was very much confused and tensed. Then Srijit had to confess. He has to solve all the problem to the inspector. So what the Srijit did? He handed over the chit to the inspector. Chit means a bit of paper which has a message. That is, tell number 3, waxwork, Tuesday, 9 p.m., number 5. So that was the message which is written on the chit. The inspector was very much happy to have found the chit. Glad means it is called happy. But he was very furious about the behavior of the Srijit. He warned them to stay away from the case. But all the 5 detectives were not at all. We cannot leave this case. So what the Srijit did? He was disguised himself as a wax statue. So what he did? He disguised himself as a wax statue. He dressed up like a wax statue. So what he did? As still it be most easy to get all the information. So he was dressed like a wax statue. That evening, what they did? They went to the waxworks. Waxworkmen in the museum, they all having a waxwork items. They observed each wax statue and noted down the details which has been written or getting out of waxwork. So, Srijit unlocked one of the windows in the room. Everything were locked, but only one window has been unlocked. Unlocked means it is not locked. It was Tuesday night. He saw the inspector, that is, Srijit saw the inspector inside waxwork and had no way of getting in without being noticed. He was really sad and went home. In the morning, Srijit heard the news of Inspector Velayudham. Srijit is hearing the news about the Inspector Velayudham that he has arrested 3 robbers. 3 robbers means 3 thieves have been arrested, and also the diamond necklace. You all know diamond, isn't it? The necklace it's full of made up of diamonds. Everyone is upset. That is, all the 5 detectives were very much upset because we cannot solve the mystery. So what they did? They all sat in a Jesse house. Living room means it is a hall which is there in Jesse house. We have a hall in every house. So they were sat in Jesse house and they were overheard. Overheard means they were hearing all the phone calls of a father saying that where is the real necklace? They were very much excited because they have heard that it is not a real necklace. So everybody was very much happy because the Inspector Velayudham did not find the real necklace. Now they are planning to how to find the real necklace. All the 5D what they did, Fatima told everyone to rush to the city to some message will be passed regarding this. There were no time. The 5 detectives were front of the old man bench. There was the bench where the old man would sit. Everyone sit at the different places to keep eye on a man because they are going to find who's the robbery and the real necklace. After an hour, a man came and sat next to the old man. Old man was very much busy and drawing something on the ground with a stick because he was drawing something interesting. They noticed that Inspector Velayudham was observing at a distance and started following that old man because they have a confusion because whether the old man will be the robbery. But they waited for the old man to leave and went to see that place, what was written on the ground and what has been drawn there. In the ground, it has been mentioned that is waxwork. So he has designed some waxwork item which is there in the museum. So this was a clue which has been found by the inspector and the detectives. Now what they are going? They are going to the museum which have the waxwork. Srijit is telling Amuda, if you were to place the diamond necklace in this place, where could you place it? Is asking the question to the Amuda, if you place one necklace, where you will place it? Let me see what answer is given by the Amuda. After a few seconds, she said that if I have a necklace, I will put it on a princess statue because she is already wearing so much of jewels which has been unnoticed. If you put the real necklace, it has been unnoticed by the robbery. So she is giving the idea, I will put it on a princess statue. Everyone's eyes were lit up. Lit up means everyone's eyes were open. But she gave a nice idea. It was a true idea which has been given by the Amuda. They walked straight to the princess statue. They saw her diamond necklace. Srijit carefully removed it and kept in his pocket. All the five detectives were find the real necklace and the Srijit were kept the real necklace in his pocket. As soon as they came out, there were a senior policeman standing. So what they did, the children went straight to him and hand over the real necklace to the senior policeman. That is, whoever is very senior, they hand over all the real necklace to the senior policeman. All the five detectives were very much happy because they were find the real necklace. They told him the whole story, how they were acting about the old man, the waxwork, everything. The policeman appreciated for their courage and dedication toward their city because they have a very much skill and courage towards the city. They were very much excited and appreciated by seeing all the five detectives. The senior policeman appreciated all the five detectives. So what they did, finally all the five detectives, that is 5D, has been found all the real necklace which has been there on the princess statue. So they hand over everything to the police and they got the appreciation by the policeman. This was a story about the five detectives. We also should have many ideas by finding what are the mysterious cases in our city. Let us see some glossary related to this lesson. We have already seen in between the lesson. First one, admirable, that is praiseworthy. Mystery, kept secret. Pestering, irritating. Overheard, to hear without the speaker knowledge. Solve, to find the answer. Sniffed, to smell by short inhalation. Furious, instantly angry. I hope you all understood about the lesson 5 detectives. Thank you, students.